Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalalong ka Pynheh banang kam Kyntiew shusho yaki kam Jngohkai da ka Pynheh yakakat Liengsuin ha Umroi. Ha kabaki Liengsuin ki behe ki la banhiar hakani kakat Liengsuin nado lashim snem. Kat kum u Commissioner bat Secretary katna Tourism u ba CVD dingdo ulakpi lenti ba ka Jingwan jong ki Liengsuin ki behe ki banher bet nasyalong kan kring yaki Jingwan ki yaka Jingwan jong Jngohkai jong ki brio. Ka jing Pynheh yaki jaka her Liengsuin kan pinla wat yaki Liengsuin ki bahe kum ka Airbus A320 banhiar hasilong na buntli ki nongba ka India.
The government has taken many initiatives recently to expand the runway of the Shillong airport. In fact, the tender by Airport Authority of India is already out. This will be a great boost and major boost to tourism because we know that with direct flight connectivity, the number of tourists will definitely increase. Shillong is a very popular destination. Many people who land at Guwahati airport are Shillong bound or Meghalaya bound. So this will definitely increase the number of flights with the expanded runway. The A320s will be able to land. And with this, there will be a great boost in tourism.